In this video, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Adobe Acrobat without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search Adobe Acrobat Reader download. In search bar, then press enter. When you search Adobe Acrobat Reader download, here you will find download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach Adobe Acrobat Reader official website where you can download it. And here you can see get.adobe.com and download Acrobat Reader. You have to click this option. When you click download Acrobat Reader, one Windows pop-up will become. You have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And we have just downloaded Adobe Acrobat. Here you can see when you press Ctrl plus J in keyboard, Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can see here. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going download folder. After going download folder, you have to click right on it, then click open. When you click open, here you can see we are installing Adobe Acrobat Reader now. And Adobe download Acrobat has started for installing. Here we have to wait for some time. Until this process is running. Here you can see we have downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat. When you click finish, Adobe Acrobat will be downloaded and installed in Windows 11. Now you can open it and use it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, ask in comment box. And I hope this video helped you